Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial on how to draw the human figure. In the previous videos we handled the front and then the side view. So this time we'll be drawing the back view, which is this one, and then in the next videos we'll be taking care of the third quarter, front, and then the next one will be for the back. So without wasting much time, let's just get right into it. Oh yeah, I figured it to be better if I do this digitally. The previous time I think my camera quality was quite bad and the camera kept moving, so I guess this will make it better. Let's just see how it goes. So with the back view, just like the front view, the back view is almost the same as the front view, just that we change a few features when you're detailing it. So for now, let's focus on the structure, which is actually the same process. We draw a vertical line, which is supposed to be the action line. And as usual, we divide it into 8 equal parts. First, we divide this into 2. Make sure they are almost the same. Divide this one into 2. Divide into 2. Yeah. So we have our 8 equal head lengths. And then we divide this into 3. But first of all, let me number it so you can tell what it is. So this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So yeah, like I said, we divide 1 and 2 into 3 equal parts and take the first third. That will be for our pit of neck and our shoulder line. So let's draw the egg shape to represent the head, just like the front. So you just try to imagine like you're drawing the front view all over again. Just do the exact same thing. Alright. Divide this into 2 and call it X. Now this will show the back of the neck, where the neck will end, entering into the back of the head. So now let's measure the shoulder then. That will be head length. So I'm going to extend it down here. Make sure it's the same length as this on this side. Alright. So I do the same over here. So basically it's just like a front view, so I'm going to speed this up and then when I'm done I'll show you what makes it different. So yeah, I'll let you know when I'm done. Alright, so here's basically the front view. But as you can see, I intentionally didn't draw the neck. This is because the neck is one of the things that shows you that it's a back view instead of front view. So here's what makes it different. You see, at first we just draw this as the neck and then link it directly into the pit of neck. That's for the front view. But for the back view, we don't do that. For the back view, it's the other way around. We draw it to this point, the X point. Because we don't get to see the inner part of this side of the neck from behind. We only see the back of the head. So yeah, that's how I have to draw it. Alright, so one other thing that makes it different is that the back view, we get to see the butt of the human being. So exactly at this point where the genitals are supposed to be, we curve it this way to represent the shape of the butt. and then a bit high at the end of the butt up here. We divide the 3 and 4 into 4 parts, and then we take the lower third, this one. I don't know if you guys can see the cursor, this one. We create some V shape over here to determine where it ends. So this is basically the shape of the butt from behind, obviously. Yeah, so one thing that you do is the back isn't flat as compared to the chest. As you can see, between the, what do you call it, the scapula, which is those bones at the back, right next to your shoulders over here, they create this W shape at the top here. So go ahead and draw this kind of shape up here. Shouldn't be too long. And then we're going to extend it to the top of the butt, so that we get that space that lies between your shoulders. Yes, so that's the back view basically. So yeah, basically that's it. It's just a front view that has been altered a bit. We just changed how we draw the neck, added this shape that gives us the gap at the back of the figure, and then the shape of the butt as well. So yeah, just add these and then you have the back of your human figure. Thanks for watching. In the next video we'll be going ahead to draw the 3/4 view of the head to the shoulders. And then after the head to the shoulders, we also draw the 3/4 view of the full body, front and back. So yeah, stay in touch and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.